Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from How Tools. Today I am going to show you how you will get a 2.30 fixed deposit promo from Leong Bank. So for your information, these days the fixed rate deposit is around 1.6 to 1.9. So if you are getting 2.30, it's pretty good. So one of the terms for this fixed deposit promo is you must deposit some fresh funds. So I am going to show you how you can use existing funds from Leong Bank, where you can enter IBG Insurance Transfer to another bank, and you can transfer it back to Leong immediately to enjoy the fixed rate promo. So once you are logged inside the HLB Connect or the online banking for Leong Bank, go to Pay and Transact. Next, select Do It Now to Accounts or /IBG. So over here you can have the choice to transfer instantly to another bank. So set all your details that you want to transfer. So I have the favorite. So I would be transferring the money to another bank, which is CIMB. Agree with the terms and conditions. Click Next. Click Submit again. So there you go. You have instantly transfer money to CIMB. So once the money is in CIMB, if you transfer back to Leong Bank, it is considered a fresh fund, and you will be able to enjoy the promo rate for fixed deposit. So next, we can immediately place the fixed deposit from our source bank, which we have transferred to. And so to do that, we click on Apply, click on New Placement. Make sure we select the promo. Select our source bank. Account type can be conventional or fixed deposit. Tenure, I'll be banking in around 20,000. Auto renewal, probably no, depends on you. Crediting accounts. Just click to acknowledge everything and click Next. Click Submit. So over here you will have to log into your source bank. So this would be a typical FBX transaction. So this would be this kind of similar transaction that you do on online banking. So you will have to log in the username and password. So make sure the amount is correct. Click Request Tag. So once you have entered the FX, the tag number, click Submit, and you can see that the amount has been reduced. Click Continue with Transaction. So there you go, guys. We have successfully placed the fixed deposit into Leong Bank accounts. Do take in mind that it may take around 24 hours to 48 hours for the fixed deposit to be displayed, but typically it will be displayed instantly. So I hope that the tutorial has been informational. Thank you for watching.